I'm Chris Gray, and this is the HVAC Minute. Reports of HVAC-related crimes are rising, including equipment thefts and gun-related incidents. In Atlanta, Georgia, businesses and homeowners alike are facing copper thieves stealing more than just metal components. In one instance, thieves pulled into a driveway with a truck and stole an AC unit within minutes. On July 6th, brazen thieves broke into an Atlanta home and threatened the homeowners with a gun to steal copper from their AC. The recent crime wave has inspired people to place heavy-duty steel cages around their AC units. Other recent crimes have unfortunately involved gun violence. In Tennessee, Ashton Williams, an HVAC tech, is being charged with manslaughter after fatally shooting a coworker on August 4th while on the job. A month before that, a customer threatened an HVAC tech with quality heating, cooling, plumbing, and electric in Tulsa, Oklahoma, after refusing to pay a service fee. Thankfully, some cases have been resolved. In August 2026, Reba L. Wilson of Indianapolis received a 10-year prison sentence after she shot at an HVAC tech in her home in March of 2024. All of this is to say that HVAC contractors should prepare their workers with conflict resolution and de-escalation training to help keep them safe on the job. As Cassie Pound, Vice President and co-owner of Quality Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, and Electric said, "We can prepare our technicians the best that we can by having conversations on what they're supposed to do and how to protect themselves if something happens." For more information, please visit www.achrnews.com.